Nas people, Ayuhan Nas means of people, Ayuhan means of Nas people, Ayuhan Nas means of people. Is ya people is qawm every kullu day is yawm. Is ya people is qawm every kullu day is yawm. People, ya qawm, read the Quran kulla yawm. Hear, O people, ya qawm, read the Quran kulla yawm. Qabl is before, Ba'd means after, Khair means good, Ghayr means other. Qabl is before, Ba'd means after, Khair means good, Ghayr means other. هذا this, هؤلاء this, ذلك that, أولئك those. هذا this, هؤلاء this, ذلك that, أولئك those. Now if or means or, Quran is easy, you can learn a lot. Now if or means or, Quran is easy, you can learn a lot. Lam is did not, lam means never, will you live the Quran? Lam is did not, lam means never, will you live the Quran? Never, never and never.
Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.